Recognizing a true friend. Ali and Salman were close friends. They spent time together, shared meals, and dreamed of success. People admired their friendship. One day, Ali lost his job and fell into financial trouble. He called Salman for help, but Salman made excuses and stopped answering calls. Days passed, and Ali felt alone. Meanwhile, another friend, Umar, whom Ali barely noticed before, stood by him, offering support, advice, and encouragement. With time, Ali recovered and rebuilt his life. Ali then understood a bitter but beautiful truth. Friendship is not tested in happiness, but in hardship. Moral: true friends are those who stay when you have nothing to offer.